Trap back jumping on wanna hear nothing. 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 When you hear my phone.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. Trap Got Talk 24 Nickel Line. This is Pressure herself. I'm gonna apologize now for looking extra bummy. But you tell me a nigga that's trapping that look good all the time. My point exactly. Okay, so this is the before. I'm going to be doing braided hats. And of course customizing it my own way and Tawanderizing that thing. So I'm gonna come back on once I get started. But so far I've did this so far. I don't know, the light is, but this is what I have so far. You guys can see it. I'm just a little distressing it. I did this, the brim, in this little area here. Okay, so far I just distressed it. I don't know if the light is throwing it off, but it is a light pink trap hat, and I'm going to start adding my bleach. I already started spraying my other one. This is my first time doing this, so I didn't want to do too much and then not like it, so I just try to keep it as simple and as can be. The first one I can tell I sprayed a little too much, but I still think it's a vibe. And like I said, this is not all I'm going to be doing with these hats. This one I just sprayed, so it's starting to do its own thing. We'll see how they turn out, you guys. Hi you guys, so I came inside and I'm starting on this particular hat because I don't know, I might do something to the one that I think I sprayed a little bit too much bleach on. It's bothering me, so I don't know, I'll work on that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna start on this hat. Let's go. My cute little hot gun, y'all. Let's see. You want to make sure you're doing it neatly, taking your time with it. And just like the braids I do myself, I want my stuff full. I don't care if this is a hat, I need it full, baby. And close. Take your time with it. Okay, I'm back, you guys, and this half is complete. I'm getting excited. I wanted to see, since this is my first time, how it would look. Of course, choosing the different colors on my own and stuff, but this is actually packaged hair. Eventually, once I get the hang of this, I'll start customizing, doing everything, like from my braids that I do to the colors that I choose, you know, so we can get the originality in the hat that you desire. So I'll be back when it's complete. Hi you guys, so this is the finished product. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm really probably gonna wait for the glue to dry before I put it on and test her out. This is the finished product. Of course, there was a lot of trial and error. Like, I feel like I like my stuff very full, so I would probably add a little more just right here. But I feel like it turned out pretty good. Another thing, if you're using a glue gun, make sure you're being very, very neat and taking your time with it, because as you see, it gets everywhere. For my second hat that I come out with, I'm definitely gonna sew it by hand, and I also want to just try and see how it looks see how it would look with my own type of braids. But I feel like this turned out for my first time pretty good. Like, from the beginning to the end. I can't wait to do more.